Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock Bybit app on iPhone and Android. So for you to be able to lock your Bybit app both on your iPhone and your Android, here is a simple guide on how to get it done. You open your Bybit app on your phone, then you tap on the profile icon, you tap on it, then move up here and tap on the gear button, which is the settings icon. Once you do that, then you tap on this option, which is security. You tap on it. From there, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on this option, which is biometric and authentication. You tap on it. Then from here you can simply turn on this pattern, which is pattern lock. So if yours, you can see from here you can decide to set a code for you to be able to log in. So I'm just going to simply tap in a single code, which is this and this. Okay, let me check. Good. I'm just going to confirm it, and that's it. Okay, good. Our time is actually have a current password being saved already, so I'm just going to try it again. Okay, all right, let's try it. Okay, good. Let's have to input something else. Alright, that's good. Let's go. Alright, let's try that. You can see, then you can simply input a pattern lock. So I'm just going to use this, then I'm going to withdraw it again. You can see, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.